Hello. Kralova Hola. Hey, buddy. There's like a bee here. Want to see him? Oh. Buddy, what are you doing? Anyway, I got my breath back. 2,000 meters, I guess? I don't know. I climbed over 1,100 meters from the car. Took me 2 hours to climb up this mountain. Pretty goddamn insane. This is beautiful. And look what's out here. Boom. Hi, Tatras. And Dominica is in one of these peaks right now, the tallest peak in Slovakia, called Gerlach. I'm not sure which one, maybe that one, but I don't know. But she's there climbing with a guide and some people. I don't know how much more she has, but that's a beautiful place. Our parents' apartment is in a village at the bottom over here somewhere. Yeah. And the mountains keep going. Prague is way, way that way. So now I will ride back down, I think, down into that valley somewhere that way, back to the car. I'll take my time, as this is gorgeous. See you soon, Dominica.